Hey guys, I'm a Furby here, and the time has finally come. I have been saving these like crazy. We're gonna open 20 XY Evolutions booster packs. So let's jump right in here and not hesitate. Let's get right into them. All right, pack one. We have Drowsy, Electabuzz, Ponyta, Machop, Nidoran Male, Porygon, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Metapod, Reverse Hollow Ponyta, and Eradicate. Alright, let's pop another one. Doink, 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 doink. Alright, we've got Magnemite, Pikachu, Ponyta, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Haunter, Pokédex, Slowbro Spirit Link, and we have a Reverse Hollow Rare, which is... Oh, we got a break. We have Nidoking Break. Oh, that's always a good pull. And finally, a Starmie. Alright, let us open another one. Okay, we've got Ghastly, Poliwag, Magnemite, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Reverse Hollow, Misty's Determination, Porygon, Full Heal, and Mewtwo EX. Yeah. Alright. Let's open another one. We have Staryu, Fighting Energy, Tangela, Weedle, Rattata, Diglett Reverse Hollow, Full Heal, Machoke, Potion, and Electrode. Zap Thunder. Alright, let us open our fifth one. So 5 down, 15 to go. We've got a Magikarp, Onix, Fighting Energy, Tangela, Staryu, Pokédex, Slowbro Spirit Link again, Nidorino, Drowsy Reverse Hollow, and another Starmie. Alright. Moving on. We've got Charmander, Magnemite, Seal, Doduo, Staryu, Misty's Determination, Poliwhirl, to revive, a Reverse Hollow, Eradicate, which is a rare, and Pidgeot EX. Doing good. Alright, let's pop another one. Alright. We've got two Reverse Hollow and a regular Voltorb, Fire Energy, Charmander, Ghastly, Diglett, Haunter, Pokédex, Slowbro Spirit Link, and Beedrill. Alright, let's open another one. Alright, Staryu, Fighting Energy, Tangela, Weedle, Rattata, Full Heal, Venusaur Spirit Link, Potion, Reverse Hollow Tangela, and Arcanine. Open another. Ooh, we've got Vulpix. Come on, Rattata, Electabuzz, Ghastly, Magikarp, Charmeleon, Charizard Spirit Link, Super Potion, Reverse Hollow Rare is... Oh, there we go, Machamp Break. I will not complain. That is awesome. And another Electrode. So let's pop another one. We are halfway through it. Here's pack 10. We've got Staryu, Onix, Pikachu, Ponyta, Doduo, Brock's Grit, Professor Oak's Hint, Metapod, Reverse Hollow Maintenance, and Dragonite EX. Yeah! It's so shiny. Yeah, something I realized I didn't know from my other episodes where I wasn't sure if something was a hollow or not. If you move your mouse cursor around the card, you can actually see it kind of sparkle, as if like light was shining on it. So that's how you know. So let's open another one. We've got Poliwag, Sandshrew, Diglett, Drowsy, Staryu, Potion, Machoke, Full Heal, Reverse Hollow Diglett, and Zapdos! Which sadly I think is a non-hollow now. So I don't see it. No, I don't know. No, it's a hollow. Never mind, I see it now down in between there. Okay, so cool. We're doing pretty good in these packs so far. Alright. We've got Seal, Poliwag, Magikarp, Caterpie, Electric Energy, Machoke, Full Heal, Venusaur Spirit Link, Voltorb, and Dugong. Alright, let's open another one. Okay, we've got Tangela, Voltorb, Poliwag, Magikarp, Seal, Slowbro Spirit Link, Kakuna, Energy Retrieval, Weedle Reverse Hollow, and Arcanine again. Alright, next one. We've got Nidoran Male, Vulpix, Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu, Pidgeot Spirit Link, Maintenance, Seal Reverse Hollow. Oh, I think we got one of the secret rares. Let's see what we got. A Dugong. Okay, maybe not. Oh, this is going to be something good. And the secret rare Exeggutor. I think I already have one, but I'll take another one. Alright. Only 5 packs left to go. Let's see if we can pull anything good out of this. We've got a Weedle, Rattata, Voltorb, Ghastly, Poliwag, Maintenance, Brock's Grit, Super Potion, Reverse Hollow Sandshrew, and Electrode. Alright. The last 5. Come on, give me something good. Machop, Voltorb, Growlithe, Magnemite, Water Energy, Haunter, Brock's Grit, Slowbro Spirit Link, Reverse Hollow Water Energy, and a Mewtwo! Non-hollow. Sweet! Alright, not really, but alright. Open another one. After this, there's just 3 packs left. Machop, Voltorb, Growlithe, Magnemite, Water Energy, Kakuna, Energy Retrieval, Blastoise Spirit Link, Reverse Hollow Metapod, and another Mewtwo EX. Alright, let's open another. After this, there's only 2 packs left. Onix, Growlithe, Pikachu, Machop, Professor Oak's Hint, Metapod, De-Evolution Spray, which if you didn't know, used to be a rare, but then they moved it to an uncommon in the remake. Onix, Reverse Hollow, and Mega Venusaur EX. There it is. Oh, one of the cards I've been looking for and wanting. So yeah. Alright. Alright, just 2 packs left. Let's see what we can pull. We've got a Poliwag, Tangela, Seal, Electric Energy, or Lightning Energy, whatever you want to call it, Magikarp, Double Colorless Energy, Charizard Spirit Link, come on, let's get that Charizard, Metapod, Reverse Hollow Charmander, and a Farfetch'd. Alright, this is it, the last pack. What are we gonna pull out of it? A Voltorb, a Fairy Energy, a Tangela, a Seal, a Poliwag, Revive, Haunter, Brock's Grit, Reverse Hollow Super Potion, and the final card out of these 20 packs is none other than a Starmie. Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. There was 20 booster packs. I'm still saving some for eventual pack battle. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I will have some more stuff posted up here soon. And as always, if I think I just said it, but if you want to be a pack battle with me, just send me a message or comment, and we'll set something up. Till next time, this has been I'm a Furby, and I'll see you guys later.